Hello, Bryson. Great job on your first lesson. So cool to teach you drums. I've known you your whole life, man. So this is really cool. I'm honored to have the opportunity. I think that you have great rhythm. Just a little reminder, we have this metronome, okay? It's called Pro Metronome, and it should be free to download for your tablet. If not, there is one called Metronome Pro, not to be confusing, but that one works as well. Once again, we have 4 4, right? We count up to 4 and then back to 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. And as you noticed, 1 sounds a little different, right? So we want to make sure that this box right here is full. All right? So you just tap on it until it fills up. So 1 sounds different. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, okay? All right. So 4 4, common time. All right. When we count just 1, 2, 3, 4, that is what we call quarter notes. When we add an and, we take 4 times 2, and those are eighth notes, right? So we have twice as many. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. All right. So let's try that with the metronome, and I want you to count with me. All right, here we go. And I'll count us in, right? So it gives a little heads up. 1 and 2, and here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Now eighth notes. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Go back and forth. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. All right. So once again, common time. Called common time because it's the most common. You're going to hear it in the most songs, right? It's commonly used. All right. 4 4, 4 quarter notes. 4 4. All right. Add our and. Now they're eighth notes. 1 and 2 and. All right. Cool. So that's big part of your first lesson. Second part is I would like you to come up with some songs, okay, with the song title and the artist. So that's part of your homework this week for next week. And then also, you did great holding your sticks. Yeah, so you just hold them with your thumbs up, create them. You were like a natural at that, Bryson. So I didn't even have to show you how to hold your drumsticks, which is awesome. All right. So I know you don't have a practice pad yet, but you know what? You can find something soft. It could be like a cushion, something that has a little bounce, maybe a notebook, something that has a little bit of a bounce to it. And maybe ask your mom to go get you some drumsticks at Guitar Center. You can order them online. Any music shop will have them, Bryson. And the size of the drumsticks that you played with yesterday were 5/8. So if you go to a music store and you're like, I would like a set of 5A drumsticks, they'll know what to do. All right. And also a practice pad if you're able to do that. So if you're able to get to a music store, practice pad, drumsticks. All right. So our tempo, remember, is set to 60 on that. All right. So 60. Cool. And just remember, tempo, the higher the number, the faster the song. The lower the number, the slower the song. All right? There we go. Cool. So we got that going. We have a pattern, which is like this, right? And we're going to rest. Remember that term? We're going to rest on the and of 1 and 2. So it goes like this, back and forth. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and repeat. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 and just like that. All right. And also, so you got that pattern. Repeat it, count it, right? Counting, all that. Now we want to take our sticks and practice our bounce. So this will be a lot easier once you get a practice pad, but if you get something that has a little bit of a bounce, be clever. Find something that works. And try to get the bounce twice, or once I should say, for a double stroke. And back with your left hand. And you got to get both hands to be able to bounce once like that. Nice and even. One. All right. So you got the double, one bounce. And you also have a triple, which is two bounces. And it goes. So double, triple. And these are very tricky. So I just want to emphasize, like I was saying, playing drums is a lot like Minecraft, Fortnite, those games that take a lot of time, patience, and determination, Bryson. You have wonderful natural talent, so I think we're going to have a lot of fun. Practice all this stuff I've mentioned in this video for 20 minutes, 5 days a week, all right? Just take a little time out of your video games. Not out of your schoolwork or family time. That stuff's important, all right? I will see you next week, dude. Excellent job.